Hi everyone! Today you're going to see two people having a dialogue and one person is asking what the other person is up to and how that goes. There is a little difference between English and Korean. In English, I found that when somebody asks you what you're up to or what's up, people generally answer as not much. But in Korean, when somebody asks you what you're doing, they want to hear exactly what you're doing. So let's get started. 뭐 하고 있어요? 숙제하는 중이에요. 잘 돼가요? 네, 그런데 어려워요. Let's find out direct meanings. 뭐, what. 하 is from the verb 하다 as dictionary form to do. 고 있어요? This comes from 고 있다. 고 is used after a verb root without conjugation. Usually 있다 means exist, but when it's used with 고 after a verb root, it means progressive tense for that verb. In English, in that case, ing. So this phrase translates to, what are you doing? You could also interpret this as, what are you up to? 숙제하는, this comes from a verb, 숙제하다 as a dictionary form, to do homework. By adding 는 after a verb root, that makes the verb an adjective. So I added ing for doing homework to mix the verb into an adjective in English. 중 means middle as a noun. 이에요 is a be verb after a noun that ends with a consonant. So this phrase translates to, I am in the middle of doing homework. 잘, this means well as an adverb. 돼 is from a verb 되다 as a dictionary form. This means to become. And 가요 is from a verb 가다 as a dictionary form to go. In this case, the two verbs are combined and the first verb is conjugated to 돼. Even though 돼 of 되다 as dictionary form is the same pronunciation of conjugated 돼, but they are written differently. So when you say 돼가다, this becomes to go in a progressive meaning. So this phrase translates to, is it going well? 네, yes. 그런데, but. So this but is used at the front of the sentence. 어려워요. This is from a verb 어렵다 as a dictionary form, which means to be difficult. Since this verb root ends with B consonant, this requires irregular conjugation rule, which means drop B and add U syllable and apply 어요 conjugation rule. This phrase translates to, yes, but it's difficult. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 뭐 하고 있어요? 숙제하는 중이에요. 잘 돼가요? 네, 그런데 어려워요. If you like this content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that when the new video comes out, you get the notification right away. And if you have any comments or thoughts, please comment down below and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!